Many iPhone users are reporting that when they take photo or video, the iPhone camera shakes and take blurry photos. I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution number 1. Go to settings, scroll down and click on general. Click on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated latest iOS version. Solution number 2. Go to settings, scroll down and click on general. Scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset all settings. Enter iPhone passcode. Again click on reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on camera. Click on record video. Turn on show PAL formats. Turn on video format control. Solution number 4. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on camera. Here turn on all features. Solution number 5. Go to settings. Scroll down and click on general. Next scroll down and click on shutdown. Turn off your device and turn it on again. I hope your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, then remove the iPhone cover and clean the camera well. I hope the camera will start working fine. Thanks for watching.